He said he wants to do the rear motor mount today too, so surprise, surprise. What stiffness bushing did we go with? 70A, right?
Yep.
70A. It's right there. We went with a 70A Hasport rear motor mount. So he's gonna go ahead and take it out. It's wrapped up real nice.
Yeah, look at that bad boy right there.
Thing is gleaming right now. So the one with the washer, it goes upward. It faces upward. So now we're gonna take this plastic off.
Gonna wash this.
The washer's right here.
Right there.
Yep. So that's gonna face upward. Ooh.
There it is.
Yep. There it is. So we're gonna go ahead and install this as well. More parts. My dad says since we're already here, just full send it. Let's get everything done.
What we got here? 17?
Yep.
19?
Yep.
So
So 17 millimeter for the back. It's a factory motor mount. 17 millimeter for the back. Get the 19 millimeter on the other side. There we go. So now that could come out, right? Now take the whole bolt out first, and then after the whole bolt comes out, you have enough leverage to get the bolt out. Do you get it? So take out the rest of the 17 millimeter back here. Yep. Take that whole bolt out. There we go. You might have to pry this down after it hits, after it goes too far out. You need a flathead?
okay, pry it on right down there.
Yep. There you go. You see me pulling my hand down?
Oh, yeah,
I push it down with my hand. There we go. Where the washer is, a little WD-40 up here. So now, is it coming out? Why is it spinning?
Well, I guess it moves.
Oh, okay. All right. So now, so make sure this has to be on the top. So we're gonna show you exactly how it's supposed to go in. Wash your head from the intercooler.
Yeah.
You need some underneath there too.
Oh, just to make it happy. Okay, that's good.
As you can see, he has the washer on the top right there, and now he's gonna slide that in. As y'all can see, it goes up to that other hole up there, like a built-in washer. And then torques both of them to 69 foot-pounds, and pretty much that's it. Okay.
Yep, 69.
Hasport rear motor mount is done.
Yeah.
So we're done with down here. We good. We're gonna put this bracket back in.
That's 14. You need the 14.
We already got these ones in, so this one's on the side. Then you got the two Phillips in the middle, and then the other one on the side. And then he's putting the other Phillips, the two in the back. You already lost one of these, right? I bought another one. You saw that, right?
Yeah. And it turns like that, it's supposed to split, right? That's
Yep.
it.
Yep. It work, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's good. The thing is gonna
Yes.
stick.
Is all of them in there? 1, 2, 3. That's everything?
Yep.
So now you tighten up the Phillips. Okay, that's good. That's good. What about these on the side?
Yeah, very tight.
The back ones are good?
Yeah, tighten these up.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm currently finishing up editing the video, and guys, I wanted to explain the reason why you should get a rear motor mount for your Honda Civic Type R F05, FK8, or even your Integra Type S DE5. So for this car is a front wheel drive car. So with the bigger upgraded rear motor mount with a bigger bushing and stiffer bushing, the car is definitely going to help with any type of wheel hop, and especially when you're doing full bolt-ons and the car's going from like 306 horsepower to almost like 400 horsepower, 400 torque. To be able to put that power down to the ground, you need something that's going to be able to at least help with that flex in the motor when it's trying to put all of that power down on the ground. So stiffening that bushing up for the rear motor mount is definitely going to help. Also, in my opinion, the car actually feels a lot more planted too, and even when you're shifting, the car feels a lot better shifted into gears too, because there's no play with the transmission and stuff like that, so that engagement is a little bit better. But overall, you're going to notice a difference. Plus guys, this install is not hard at all. It is very easy. As I showed you guys, this is really not a long install. That's the reason why you should definitely get a rear motor mount. So guys, we went with the Hasport 70A. Hasport 70A design is definitely different than what I have on my FK8 Type R. So it looks like Hasport did change the design, because now I noticed that it has like a little ring inside of the mount too as well, which my FK8, it doesn't have that. So they did change it up a bit. Okay, let's talk about how long does the car have any vibration? Is it really stiff? Is the whole damn dash rattling or whatever is going on? Yeah, so after we installed and turned it on, the car definitely had a bunch of rattles compared to my car. I think my Hasport mount took at least like 2 days on like a 90-degree day to break in, and you don't feel those rattles when you start up the car and stuff like that. So for the Integra Type S, my dad did notice like for a whole, it was like 99 degrees the whole week during this whole freaking crazy hottest summer in years. For like a whole week to 2 weeks of 90 degrees, it finally went away. So guys, depending on where you live and the temperature, you might have some longer vibrations, and you might get a little bit of vibration from the road noise depending on what you go over, like bridges or like little bricks laid on the road in some areas and stuff like that. You might get a little bit extra vibration, but guys, the more you drive it and it gets heated up because the engine is right there, it will eventually go away. But it took a while. I was surprised how long it took for the vibrations and stuff to go away. So I get to leave you guys on a tip on that. So yes, you do get a nice stiffer mount and everything is going to feel nice and everything, but the vibration is going to be there, but it's going to take a little bit to go away depending on what type of climate you live in. So that's it guys. But overall, definitely this is a must for sure. We are finishing up the build on the Integra Type S, my dad's car that he picked up. We're doing full bolt on. Definitely we're gonna get some driving videos. I know some of the comments are like, hey, when are we gonna get some driving videos? Definitely guys, I'm gonna get some driving videos of the car and my dad's reaction with the full bolt on tune, because that's gonna be coming up here very soon. So definitely guys, you don't want to miss it. But guys, that's it. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.